Okay.
like this, and sharp. See?
Yeah.
The name of the fruit is weird,
Alright.
like car, like weird car. The name of the tree is habilla. In all river and Dominican Republic, you can find a lot of trees like this, somewhere in the mountains. They're very tall, and the trunk is enormous. They have a many stones, nobody can climb in the tree. You see?
Oh yeah.
Here. Yeah, and
So you are climbing?
no, I know how to get it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and then they can have 300, about 400 years old. And many years ago in the past, Indian Taino, they would use the trunk for making boat, canoe to go in the water. And with the milk, they make medicine for the body and for the anesthesia for the teeth.
Uh-huh.
So the flower is color red and then they come in green. 1,802 boys and girls no have nothing to enjoy, and then mother and father making car with this. Then everybody happy. And then when the sun is hot, they dry and then they explode. Boom! Clack, clack, clack. You come and everyone like this. And this is the sea inside. Right now, I take the knife and I show to you how I carve it then. Which one you want to see, dolphin or shark?
Dolphin, please.
Okay.
How did you find to do that? Like, how the idea came to your mind?
8 years ago, I was very sad. I don't have a job, and I was in the lands of my grandfather,
Okay.
and I looked for passion fruit and lemon to take to go selling in Samana in the market. And this time I paid 5 pesos in the bus to go to Samana. Now it's 100 pesos. And then I find a lot of fruit. And then I sit and I was eat one passion fruit. This is my boy Ronnie. I will eat one passion fruit and there was explode. I listen, but I don't see it because I was thinking about my life.
Ronnie. How old is he?
It's one boy. It's 2 years and 9 months.
Takes time.
Yeah, but my first time I taking 30, 25 minutes, 20 minutes. Now I take 3 minutes. And for me the shark, 5 minutes.